Late October is not too late to plant. If you're in the clearance section of Lowe's or Walmart or any kind of nursery and you're seeing plants on clearance, get the plants if they are perennial and if they are good for your zone, and get them in the ground. It's not too late. This is the perfect time to go to those stores and pick up some plants for a lot cheaper than you normally would, just because they're not looking their best. And that's just because they're going into their own dormancy period. And that doesn't mean they're dying. It just means that they're going to do exactly what they're going to do. If you plant them right now, they're going to go into dormancy, and then in the spring they're going to come back fuller and stronger and better looking and more beautiful. So get those good discounted prices. Use this chance to be able to fill your garden with color and beauty by getting those discounted plants now. Everybody else thinks it's too late, but you are smarter. These echinacea were on sale. They were $3 a pot. And look at this. This is just, they're beautiful. These end up getting to be 12 to 36 inches or 24 to 36 inches tall, and they are just the most beautiful echinacea ever. Anyway, I found them, I picked them up. Some of them don't look the best. They're a little bit wilted, but that's okay. I'm gonna get them in the ground, and I'm gonna thank myself next year for sure. Other plants that you need to get in the ground right now, and this is not a complete list. You go to that clearance section, you check it out, see what's available for your zone, and then what is perennial. And most likely, if you plant it now, it's going to do really well next year. Mums are something you definitely want to be planting right now. Your bulbs, like your tulips and your daffodils, your irises, your phlox and your daylilies, all of those things can get in the ground right now, and so can your herbs. So let's check out some of the herbs that you can put in. Those fall blooming plants as well, you want to get those asters in. You want to plant all those roots that you have, like peony and things like that. But also, let's look at these. Oh, and also rudbeckia. Great time to plant rudbeckia plants. If you have a hardy hibiscus, now's the time to get it in. And let's look at these herbs. This is a great time to be planting thyme. Parsley is going to do really well right now too, as well as sage. Oregano, get the oregano in. I would hold back on planting things like lavender or rosemary. Those types of herbs are really going to do a lot better if they have a longer amount of time to get their roots established. She loves to talk. Okay, plant those strawberries right now. All the fruit things, fruit trees, fruit bushes and shrubs, those are all going to do really well if you plant them right now. This is actually the ideal time to plant those. But let's see, other plants that you want to get in. Oh, asparagus. Plant the asparagus crowns now. Get your garlic in. The main thing is, buy the plants. Buy the plants. There's going to be so many varieties that are on clearance right now, and it's just because they don't look that good. And it's because they're going into dormancy. Of course they're not going to look good. Nothing really looks that good right now. Although there are some flowers that are blooming still. You can check out my video, I'll link it below, that shows all the beautiful flowers that are still blooming, even late October, early November. It's incredible. And if you want to have your garden looking beautiful all the way till this time of year, plant these for sure. But get these plants in the ground, go to the clearance section. You won't regret it. Next fall or next year when they come back and you don't have to do anything else, you got them for super cheap, and all of a sudden your garden is looking fuller than it's ever been before. You're going to be so thankful. Do it now. Other flowers that you're going to want to plant, or other plants that you're going to plant right now, are going to be things like heuchera, anemones, turtle head. You're also going to want to get your ornamental grasses. Get those in the ground now. Next year, they will come back earlier than you expect if you get them in now. This is the time, guys. This is the time. And then don't forget, you can also do some vegetables right now, especially if you're going to put some row covers on. But this is a great time to get those cold-loving vegetables in. Things like kale and spinach and cabbage and Brussels sprouts, things like that. Some of those bigger ones like the cabbage and Brussels sprouts, they should have been started already. So get them as starts if you haven't started them from seed yet. But definitely use those row covers if you can, and then extend your season of growing for those. But if you're looking in the clearance section of those stores, grab the plant, make sure it's perennial, because they are selling some really sad looking annuals. There are no guarantees as far as the annuals go, but the perennials, as long as they're good to your zone, it is still good to get them in the ground. So if you like this content, give it a like. I appreciate it so much. Let me know. I want to know, did you guys buy any clearance plants? I definitely did. I'm so excited to get those in the ground. And then also, don't forget to subscribe and share if you like this video. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed.